cheese, heavy cream, condensed milk, ground crackers, and mango. First, I'm gonna make a fluffy whipping cream. First is cream cheese. Next is heavy cream. Whoa. And now let's make it a fluffy. You could do this manually if you don't have this. And now put some condensed milk. And few more condensed milk. I can't talk like that, sorry. Yum yum. Yummy is my tongue. I add some vanilla, and this is also optional. Ooh, love it. 5 minutes after that. It's looking good and done. Wow, this is fluffy. Next is graham crackers. And then let's spread it out. And next is mango. It's one of my favorites. Let's put one at that. Done. And just a little bit of some pressed gray ham. This is how I crush a cracker. Okay, ooh, looks good. Now I'm gonna put the graham crackers again. Now put the crackers again. Looking perfect. Yahoo! Wahoo! 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 Let me try this. This is super good. Now cream again. Now let's spread it nicely. Wow. It looks good. Last layer of graham crackers. And of course, the last layer of the cream. Yay! The middle. This looks perfect! You could add more graham crackers and more mango in the top. Looking good! I'm gonna put this in the fridge for overnight. So tomorrow you have a yummy, 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 yummy mango treat. Bye! Thank you for watching, guys. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Watch Naila grow for more videos.